You're okay. You've got about 3 inches. Woo, babe. You gotta go back, driver. Stop. We're not clearing.
Making our own tracks in the forest. Once again on our more remote travel routes. Forest Service roads connecting together to get us across the National Forest. Our elevation is quite a lot lower, so snow depth is not an issue at all.
4,700 feet right now.
4,700? All right. And we are cleared a couple trees, no big deal. Easy start to the day. Most of the national forests have primary and secondary roads. At least that's what I call them. The primary roads are the ones that you're likely to see tracks on because people are driving on them. Secondary ones are more like this. You can probably find no one, and they're probably used more or less for clearing logs and forestry work than by travelers. But these are the most fun in my opinion. They do offer the most amount of potential obstacles and adventure, which is the best. Low bridge ahead. Whoop, whoop. Is it too low for us though? Ooh, it looks like it's pretty low. I don't know.
We're not touching yet.
We're not touching?
Not on my side.
Oh, we made it. Haha. Not low enough to stop us. Another tree.
Didn't take long.
We got into some deeper snow again. Put it into 4-wheel low. We have the tires aired down to 30 psi in the rear and 20 psi in the front. And it seems to give it, well, substantial increase in traction, but it seems to be a pretty good pressure so far to help push it through and not have to work the transmission engine quite so hard. Ooh, another tree. Surprise, surprise. Ooh, a little hill climb.
Snow, snow, snow.
Go, little truck, go.
You can do it.
It's climbing forward. Ooh, it's a little steep. Oh, but it keeps going. Can't stop camper truck.
Nope, nope. We go to the right.
To the right.
Yeah. We're at 5,000 feet now.
Woohoo, 5,000. Aw, man. We lost our fresh powder. Somebody else made tracks out here. Oh my gosh. What is this?
This is a forest in our road.
Oh man. This looks like one of the biggest tree piles we've encountered.
Yeah.
My goodness.
I think it might be pulling out the saw time.
Tree pile time. I think this is a sawer style.
Yeah.
Maybe we should have lunch first and then do it.
So we just cleared a really big pile of trees that probably came down last night. There's been some wind and a few storms coming through over the last few days. So although there are some tracks in the snow, we are encountering quite a few trees up in this section. So we cleared all the big ones, and then Peter's gonna go ahead, bounce over the top of this last one. We removed all of the pokeries so that we're not gonna puncture a tire. Woohoo! Nice work.
What could it be? A tree?
Another tree.
In our road? Look at that. A big, long, straight stretch with clearness.
That's beautiful.
Nothing in our path. Man, this is epic. We're making some time now. 15 miles an hour.
Woohoo!
Blasting up this mountain hill, no problem. Oh look, another tree. Oh, it's a tree. What? Another tree. A tree? What the heck? It gets worse. All right, more saw time. Wow, more trees, yay.
So we found a very low bridge. We're gonna try and get the truck and camper around it, but we're concerned about sliding back into the hole, which would take our camper into this very low bridge. Okay, you're good to start turning. Passenger, you gotta go passenger more. You're gonna hit that log. Woo! You're clearing. Come forward. All right, I'm gonna check. You're okay. You've got about 3 inches. Woo, babe. You gotta go back, driver. Stop. We're not clearing. Right, we are attempting to break the tree. We're a little concerned. I don't want it coming down on Peter's head. We've cut partially through it.
Stand back.
Okay. Whoa! We are trying to get the other tree out.
Winching this tree out. It's like a double widowmaker tree in here that's been there for a long time. We're just pulling her down. It is really stuck in there.
It really is.
It's breaking off all the branches as it pulls it. Giving our winch a good workout here.
It's true.
I think we're almost free from the trees. Oh man, it's gonna come down each second here.
It's trying to stay. It does not want to break that top. The other one broke its top, so it came flying out. But this one is a fighter.
Oh man, here it comes.
There it goes.
I think
It's
that's
out.
about
So we've cleared one of the 2 big trees, but one of them is just too big for our little saw. So Peter has attached a snatch block to our winch so that we can hopefully use the tree to the side to pull it out of our route so that we can continue on. It's been about an hour of us trying to clear these trees, so we're hoping that this will work. Unfortunately, we didn't quite have a direct route to this tree, so there's some movement happening. We're gonna see if we can get this to work with the snatch block. So you can see we've got it attached over there, and now we're trying to move this giant log. We just need it out of our way. It's just too heavy for us to move. Hey babe, you probably want to stop because that's putting the front end farther into the road. I'm not sure where he's wanting to take it. It looks like it's caught on another stump. So we're trying to pull it out of our way as much as possible. And unfortunately, we're caught on a stump and it is moving them both. Not just our stump. Woo. Take 2. We're now moving the front half of the log out of the road so that we can pass. And we are so ready to finish this bad boy up because It's getting cold out here and we're losing daylight. Unfortunately, days are a little bit shorter. Woo, that should be good, babe. Yeah! We have decided to slightly move this bad boy out of our way, and then we will be completely tree cleaned up. Super exciting!
Alright.
Move that bad boy. Come on, tree.
That's a hefty thing.
It's trying. Woo!
There it goes.
It's probably far enough.
Alright.
Yeah!
Peter is outside helping clear for us because unfortunately our path has continued to be under a lot of, or surrounded by trees, and my feet got so cold I couldn't feel them anymore. Luckily his boots are waterproof, mine are not, so we're just trying to clear a path to get to this area where we can make camp tonight. So we're just trying to get through this probably last quarter of a mile section, and then we'll be able to make camp tonight. So it'll be wonderful. As you can see, it is getting dark. We spent probably an hour and a half trying to clear those trees earlier today. So hopefully we'll be able to get out of this pretty soon. It's been a lot of fun today, but just getting kind of tiring and ready to camp. So fortunately, this is part of adventuring in the snow time.